Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie, and on behalf of Charlie the Cook Andrews Cooking Channel, I would like to wish you and your families a Merry Christmas. Now I know some of y'all probably asking, Charlie, how was your Christmas? It was brutal, I'll tell you that much. I mean, this is one of my biggest Christmas dinners to date with over 13 items made. And I think in 2021 I made 15 items. So I came a little close. Because this year I didn't really want to cook much for Christmas. I was just gonna make about 4 or 5 items at the most, just a little bit of something for myself. Come back, cook something for the new year. Well, things took a turn and I had to do what I had to do. You know what I'm saying? So I had to do it in 2 sets because it was my food and then others. So yeah. I'm gonna show y'all that in just a second. As far as news goes, I don't really have any news. I'll have some news for the New Year's video for 2025. Y'all, people, I cannot believe we're about to be in 2025. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so yeah, you want to stay tuned for that because I'm gonna have some announcements and stuff for 2025 and what to expect. You know what I'm saying? Now it's time for the food presentation. I know y'all excited about that. So it's in 2 stages. So here it is. All right, here is the food part 1. This is the first half of the food here. So over here, this is a pan of seafood rice. Now this is going to be a new recipe that's going to be featured on my YouTube channel soon. So you want to stay tuned for that. And over here we have the homemade candied yams from scratch. And over here we have the homemade dirty rice. And right here we have the Christmas cake. Now this is a butter vanilla almond Christmas cake with a butter vanilla almond buttercream frosting. As you can see, it says Merry Christmas. And that's it for the first part of the food presentation. All right, and here is the food part 2. This is the second half of the Christmas dinner that I cooked. So right here, I have 4 homemade sweet potato pies from scratch with the cinnamon sugar crust. And over here, I have the dry macaroni and cheese. And over here, I have the seafood cornbread dressing. And of course, I have this on my YouTube channel. Hey. And right here, we have the homemade candied yams. Not Bruce's yams. Homemade candied yams. And over here, we have the green peas. And lastly, this year for Christmas, I know y'all was looking forward to seeing the ham, but this year I had to do it. I had to make some kind of change because I already had ham. So this is a homemade seasoned whole roasted chicken. I might try to do a prime rib. I think that's what my next task is going to be. And that is it for the food presentation. You know what? Thinking about it, it was actually pretty nice. I just went in my kitchen, made magic happen, and got it done. Yes. Yes. So, but now since I did all this cooking for Christmas and stuff and I won't be cooking for the new year. I know, but I'm right now. I'm a little tired and I haven't had a chance to really rest myself. So that's what I will do. I will rest myself. So I'm gonna do that. And I will still do a video for the new year. It's just that I won't be cooking anything. I know some of y'all are shocked, like, Charlie, you're not cooking anything? Just so yeah. I'm just gonna take that time to just rest myself. Take these next couple of days, chill, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. But anyways, that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the food presentations and everything. And I want to thank all my subscribers, all the people that comment, etc. Thank you all so very much. And I hope you all have a safe, happy, and wonderful Christmas. And I'll see you for the new year, 2025. Yes. Peace.